Hey Remarkable Lifers, this is KJ.
This is Craig.
And we are at the Garden of Dreams Boutique Hotel here in Ajijic at the Artist Alliance of Lake Chapala.
Read it. He's not reading at all. He's not reading at all.
Stop it.
That's where we are.
Yeah, you know, you're trying to be all professional and everything, and not always working.
You know what? Let's make it about the Garden of Dreams.
It's about the Garden of Dreams Boutique Hotel.
Check it out.
They're doing an art fair. It's wonderful.
And this is the Bartist for the day. So that was a lot of fun. The art fair at, what is that place called?
Garden of Dreams.
Garden of Dreams. All I know is it was wonderful and I would love to live there. So shout out to all of the artists there. Thank you for letting us do a little video. And we really, really appreciate you guys watching us. So like, share, and subscribe. But, wow, like it's just crazy. Everywhere we go, we see someone we know.
Oh my gosh.
Or we get introduced to someone because they've seen us on our channel or on the Mexico Relocation Guide video, and it's like I've never had so many friends, and it's wonderful. I love it. So, okay.
Watch out, there's sparkling.
Gracias.
Jamaica. Es mi favorito.
See? So if you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.